Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
La Prairie is a beautiful town located in the Montérégie region of Quebec, situated on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River. It's just a short distance from Montreal, making it a charming, yet peaceful suburb. The town has a rich history dating back to the 1600s, when French Jesuit missionaries first arrived. Originally named La Prairie de la Magdeleine, it was later renamed in 1668 to Kentake, an Iroquois term meaning, at the prairie. La Prairie played a significant role in Quebec's early development. In 1836, the first railway line in British North America connected it to Montreal, which was an important transportation route at the time. This railway, the Champlain and St. Lawrence Railroad, helped La Prairie become a key point for goods traveling between Montreal and the Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu region. Over the years, La Prairie has grown into a thriving community. It was originally a bustling village, but by 1909, it had earned city status. The town also had its fair share of challenges, such as devastating floods, including the spring flood of 1848 that caused significant damage. Despite these setbacks, La Prairie has maintained its place as an important community in the region. Today, La Prairie combines the best of both worlds, rich history and modern amenities. Its population has grown steadily, with around 26,000 residents. With its proximity to Montreal, the town offers a peaceful escape, while still being close enough to the city to enjoy all its benefits. For nature lovers, La Prairie is surrounded by natural beauty, with the Grand Boise Conservation Park being one of the key environmental projects in the area. This park aims to preserve local wildlife and plant species, offering a place for residents and visitors to explore and enjoy nature. Whether you're visiting for its historical significance or to enjoy its scenic beauty, La Prairie is a wonderful place to explore.
watching!